Ellen. Where are we going?
I don't even know what it's actually called, but the Harry Potter Studios.
Good enough. Oh, thank you, Stephanie. Say it a bit louder.
Warner Brothers.
Warner Brothers. Yeah. Stephanie, we have to actually go in the museum. Well, not even a museum. The studios. You don't need that. You don't need it. They'll get more. They have more. Oh, you can get a giant one instead. All right, Stephanie, we're gonna go in the actual thing we paid a lot of money for. Yeah, okay.
5 minutes.
Oh, we're going now. Oh my god. She has a problem. Stephanie, we're coming back at the end.
I know. But...
So let's go. Yeah, okay. There we go. No, she's leaving. Let's go. Quick, don't delay her now. No, Stephanie.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Let's go. Oh my god. Christmas sorted. Right, this way. Steph, I have a question.
Okay, go.
Did you put your name in the comments? He said calmly.
No, because
Oh, did you? Oh no, because you're 15.
Apparently.
Yeah.
She is.
Security guard thought Steph was 15. She's 21. She's not offended though.
What is that? Look at that.
I'm sorry. No, Ellen just said to me, "What is that?" I'm gonna let you think.
Don't you dare look at the things. She's cheating. Oh.
It's the goblet of fire.
It's silver in that thing. Is that not on?
Just wanted to point out that this is part of my nose ring, not anything else. But now back to me being incredulous of Ellen's lack of Harry Potter knowledge.
Yeah. Oh, look at her.
It's cool. Yeah, I'm guessing it's for Hagrid so that they look small.
Oh, yeah, look at the size of
And he looks huge, yeah. Oh, we should do that.
Oh, it's going to take a bit
Nailed it. Not been in here before. Ooh, we're in the forest. Misty. Ooh, there's a centaur. Scary. Is it Ferenz? Bane?
Ferenz is nice.
Bane. Maybe it's Bane. Look at this.
I love this. Where's Tony? I need to get Tony a video sent to her.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, so she's changing if it's day or night. That's cool. Wow. Buckbeak. This fog though.
He doesn't live in the forest.
Should we go in this way? I think I see something in this side. Something dark. You are in grave danger. Oh, what's that? Don't look over there. No one look over there. Oh, it's a Patronus. Oh. That's how they did the Patronus.
There's a shop. What's a Patronus?
Yeah. Yeah, it didn't do anything. Oh, there you go. It's just, that's so weird. You can't see anything on the camera. Oh, a spider web. Look, there's a spider web. Huge one. Look at that, Ellen. I wonder what kind of creature could have made that. Why couldn't it be follow the butterflies? My favourite thing. I know. Did you see that? No. I literally just I wanted to do that.
I was waiting on an opportunity.
Shh. No.
It's Ellen.
Ruin it. Oh yeah. The body will decay. The spirit will live on. Right. She's going in. She's going in. Yes, get that mustache.
Wow. That's so sweet.
I think it's horrible. What do you think? Not nice?
I like it. It's
You do?
It's like busy, which is weird.
Way too sweet for me. Way too sweet. Did you get much liquid or just foam?
No,
Try and get some liquid, yeah. I think mostly when I had it, I just stuck my face in the foam. I was like, well. Yeah.
I couldn't drink. Like, they seem to drink this a lot. I couldn't.
No, yeah. Action.
Oh.
Action. Okay, I'll try again. Cut. Take two.
Oh, hi.
Oh my god, I didn't say action. Okay, cut. Take three. Oh, Ellen, you have to be there too. Steph will give you the cues. Okay, and action.
It's the Livingston present.
Thank you, Ellen, for being enthusiastic. What was each of your favourite parts of the experience? Ellen, you first.
I like the models of everything.
Yeah, like
the props, like all the stuff that was made. I like seeing that.
Yeah. Stephanie, what was your favourite part?
Different part.
Just the whole thing?
Yeah.
The atmosphere of it, or the fog?
Special.
Yeah, it was done well.